Here is another example on all numbers in base 7, and we have to convert this to base 10. Solution. You write out the number 3, 4, base 7. Then we start numbering the digits from the back, starting from 0. That is, we take our numbering from 0 from the back. 0, 1. And if there are other numbers, keep on numbering until the number ends. But here we only have 2 digits, which are 3 and 4, and we've numbered them. Now we simplify further. We pick the first digit, 3, multiplied by the base, 7, raised to the power of the numbering, 1, plus, we do the same thing for the next digit, and the next digit here is 4, 4, multiplied by the base, 7, raised to the power of 0, 0. So we have equals 3 multiplied by 7 raised to the power of 1 is 7, plus 4 multiplied by 7 raised to the power of 0, 1, because anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. And let's multiply. 3 multiplied by 7, that's 21, plus 4 multiplied by 1, 4. So we have 21 plus 4, 25 base 10. And that's how to convert all number in base 7 to base 10. Thank you.